So you were spraying, what happened?
Pressure drop.
Why did the pressure drop? So now we're back to, let's say, fault finding, okay? This is a common thing that's going to happen, all right? So we've obviously got a pressure drop there. You can see that we should be at about 1,000. We're probably, 600. So what's the problem? Try the pressure. See if anybody's messed around with the pressure. So turn the pressure up. Up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, okay, so nothing's happening. So why is the motor not working? Oh yeah. This is something that happens, okay? If you're working on site, it will happen a lot because a lot of stuff will trip, the electricians will turn the power off. As soon as you hear nothing, but don't forget, sometimes there'll be a lot of noise going on elsewhere. And sometimes you won't always hear your machine go quiet. It's already quiet, but when you feel that, you're like, right, okay, fine. It's one of two things. If it's done that, pressure's dropping, it's because it's run out of paint, or it's run out of pressure. In other words, power's being turned off. So what we do is we're just going to turn that back down, okay, because we've messed around with it. We'll turn it back on, okay, and then what we'll do is we'll bring it back up. Cool, carry on. All we have to do is reset the pressure. Most of the time, if we've not messed around with the pressure control, we just turn it on and off and it comes back to where it was.